To test whether the thermostat is the problem, bypass it by directly connecting the system control wires at the thermostat base. Start by turning the power off at the furnace or air handler switch and at the circuit breaker to remove any risk of shock or short. Remove the thermostat cover and locate the wire terminals labeled R, G, Y, and W. R is the 24-volt power feed, G controls the fan, Y controls cooling, and W controls heat. If the thermostat uses a battery only for display but the system still has a 24-volt transformer, leave the transformer power off while making connections and then restore power to test. Use a small screwdriver or a purpose-made jumper, such as a magnet jumper, to briefly connect R to G to force the blower on, R to Y to call for cooling, or R to W to call for heat. Hold each jumper only long enough to confirm operation and then remove it. If terminal spacing is tight or the jumper cannot seat, use insulated alligator clips or short lengths of stranded wire with stripped ends and confirm insulation is out of the way of other terminals. After testing, remove all jumpers, restore all covers, and turn power back on, then observe normal thermostat control to ensure no wiring was disturbed. Common mistakes are leaving power on while connecting jumpers, which can blow a fuse or damage the control board, so always switch power off before touching terminals and only reapply power for brief tests. Another issue is misidentifying the R wire when there are multiple red wires or a red common loop. Trace the red lead back to the transformer or use a voltage tester after power off and on to confirm which conductor is the true R. A third problem is assuming lack of response means the compressor or furnace is bad when safety interlocks like float switches, flame sensors, or high-pressure switches can prevent operation. Inspect and reset or bypass safety devices only if you are qualified, or note their status and call a technician if unsure. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and for contractors to find work that matches their skills. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange troubleshooting tips and real-world experiences.